What is up, guys? The Retro Gamer here with another video, and we're back to working on this. I did some stuff while we were gone, while this was uploading, and yeah, basically I'm working on splitting the string up into an array, and writing it out into a table form, but I don't quite know how I'm going to do that yet, so here's what I'm going to do. So x is already equal to 1, so if x equals 1, row 1, I just want to see if I can find a pattern by looking at it, and then write code differently. So blah blah blah, if it's exactly equals that. So we can say if x is less than equal to 14 and x is greater than 0, which will steal that script, then the background equals new x equals x minus 1. Okay, now we have that, and I'm going to steal the rest of that from somewhere else. Forget where that was. Build parse, maybe? Yeah, that's right. So there's that. And all we're going to say here is that. Okay. And obviously it's not going to be that, it's going to be 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Now we just say if EG equals it equals n, then do that, and we'll just say back equals left. And RGB, so we'll just say if it's R, it's G, if it's B, and we'll make it red, green, or blue. Now, table color background is going to equal I also just realized that we did this whole thing. I don't know why I did that. While x is whatever than that. That has to be that. Has to be that. that's where we start our loop. The loop ends right here. Okay. Kind of want to just get rid of all this stuff and start from scratch. So all the way down here, where they close off the table. So we'll make a TD, NTD, and then maybe just put the actual color in there, whatever that may be. So back, and then all we're gonna say is if x equals 14, and we're just going to echo yeah. And I guess we have to set the count then in here so that when it's 13, then it returns 14. I guess we'll see what happens. Alright, I have honestly no idea what this is going to do. So let's refresh it. Red, red, red. Undefined index, UID. Well, that's because it's sending us to build parse. Oh. Maybe my session expired, that could be it. 90 degrees. Red, red, red. It did not crash. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, that's include. Triangle. Wow, I don't know what that is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If x equals 14, 28, and we'll just go through all these. 42, 56, 70. Oh, shit. Okay. There it is. I don't quite know what D is. Oh. Okay. Here's what I don't know what is. Uninitialized string on line 179. 179, right here. Why is it uninitialized? Do I have to set VG equal to black to start with? Let's try that. Why is it starting 16 or 14? So greater than 14. Do I really gotta make this like a new variable? Because up to 14 it doesn't throw any errors, so. Alright, let's see if that throws the same amount of errors. Only starts at 14. Uninitialized string offset. Mine 180. If it's less than 28 and greater than 14. Maybe I'd set that to 2. 2, 3, 4. No. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some problems are going to flag here. But, let's see if it gets rid of the errors. Might not save on Okay, I'm gonna pause this and come back. Alright guys, so I figured it out. And you guys might have seen this already, but instead of subtracting, so I subtracted 1 here, but I should actually have subtracted 15, because if I tried to subtract 1 from 15, that would be 14, and there's not 14 characters in my thing. It goes 0 to 13, so that was the problem, simple as that. Now, as to why it's not coloring, we're going to fix that right now. So all we really need to say is echo td bg color, and that should do it. There we go. And that's perfect. So now when I want to design something, I just have to be able to go to preview, and it'll generate code, which will take that in really quick. Generate code, and we'll make it go to make code.php. Alright, well that's that. So in the next episode we'll do the making the code and having it download to your whatever. And you can copy. Actually, it might just display it on screen because that'll be so much easier. So let's do that. See you guys.